Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, for me in a good spirit, right? This is right, dear, because you know, say today is the 86th annual conference at the National Arena. When me I telling you, say the place turn up, it turn up low till it buck. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
To the Palademar. You are one. Thank you. Jenny, just like the life. It's a good look, people. It is a good look. My heart is overwhelmed right now, people. It's an arranged country, of course. Time home. Look here. Sure, PMP. I am convention. Oh. This is off a time circle at the National Arena. Ends to ends, full. Bank to bank, full people. Look at downstairs. Look upstairs. Bank to bank, it's an overflow. River more come down like that, so. And the tsunami this. Shelly, thanks for the roses. Thanks for the roses, thanks for the roses. Thanks for the follows. Yes, we are taking back our country. We are taking back our country, of course. Time comes, Shelly, and time.
My wisdom warriors, me have a small clip on me want to look pan because me I tell you say the police them just a harass with people, so them just a harass with people. When since them a search everybody, me not see them do them something there with labor right. Me not see them do them something there with labor right, you know. Anyway, look at this. My wisdom warriors, wanna see what I go on from what I go on? Lord Jesus, wanna see what I go on? But me like how the PNP them humble same way. Me like how they humble same way. Humble calf suck the most milk. Anyway, look at this.
little, make a buckle. One cocoa, pull the basket. Thanks because you did it, because you know that time come that the People's National Party must be in charge of Jamaica. Comrades, it's time to rise. We move forward in the spirit of determination with a unity of purpose, because we know that when we are united as a party, the People's National Party, no boy, no girl can beat us at no time at all. Comrades, seize and settle. I said to somebody earlier that conference must keep every day. But I want to extend my thanks to the people, the comrades, the supporters from Central Manchester. I want big ups Kendon. The comrades came out of retirement. Comrade Lynn, Comrade Junior, I will give them 4 out of 4 in a Central Manchester. But I want to thank the people of Jamaica for their unwavering support to the People's National Party, who made it their will that the People's National Party and the comrades here today can win in February of 2024 to make it a success for all people. Comrades, I don't have much time, but I feel good. I said I will take heed to my ways, that I sin not with my tongue. I'm going to keep my mouth with a bridle while the wicked is before me. Because the JLP made so much promises. They make promises about garbage collection. And if you go east, if you go west, if you go central, if you go south, garbage will kill us everywhere we go. It's as if we are living in filth. But comrades, our families, our communities will see a better Jamaica with the People's National Party, because we know how to keep the communities clean. I know, comrades, that our communities will be cleaner as we move away from the JLP's solid waste of time, because all they do is waste time and talk about garbage. They don't know nothing at all about garbage collection. Time come. The People's National Party are effective and efficient managers to manage the solid waste of this country. We did it a long time ago, and we can do it again. Comrades, as councillors, as mayors, every time we meet with the ministers, they make promises left, right, and center. Burial promises, housing promises, burial promises, and all know, not one single councillor have received one dime from the Jamaica Labour Party government to take care of the people who are suffering in this country. But comrade, time come. When we look at the parochial roads, they promised us 5 years ago, they promised us 2 years ago, and all of us as mayors get a letter from the minister to say that we must send, all the councils must send in roads to be added to the SPARK program, and not even one of those roads have been looked after.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what him say about the Sparks program? Wanna hear what him say? all know not one of the road them look at. All know them not do nothing about it. But to see how them say how much million them are going to spend upon Sparks program. Who remember when Peter Bunting come out and say they have a plan with that? Them a plan for use the money for win election. I agree. Because them come out other day and said how much money them are going to spend. The road, my wisdom warriors. You don't remember? You don't remember about what 3-4 weeks ago I read it out over here. So how comes they get money already and everything set, but they no look on road? Me tell you about the dirty labor right them. Me tell you about Andrew Wellness administration. Me telling them, me always telling them, say the PNP councils them nah get no help and they nah get no money. Andrew Wellness only help the labor right them. He's one-sided. We don't want no one-sided prime minister. Our motto is out of many one people. Our motto is out of many one people. And I see that in the People's National Party, my wisdom warriors. I see that in the People's National Party. Me can't see that in the green people them. Me can't see that, my wisdom warriors. Them corner dark. Them corner too dark. Me can't see it in them. You understand? Andrew Holness a wicked. He make the Jamaican people suffer. Him a wicked. Everall Warmington did come out and say it. And if you believe Everall Warmington, all Everall Warmington should not lose in job. Should not lose in job. This is why I say Andrew Holness can sign the code of conduct. And none of them can sign it. Because look at Everall Warmington. When you say now help the PNP. No money now go spend on the PNP. And that them a do. And them a use the Sparks program for the different things. And that them a do, my wisdom warriors. Them a use it for different things. For them aim and objectives. Andrew Holness, you must go. You should be disqualified from office. You are not credible, brother. You are not credible. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear more.
Our children are going to school, they can hardly go because the roads are bad. The community roads are bad. We are calling on the Jamaica Labour Party government to make sure the roads that leads to the school are better than ever because time come. Comrades, boy, I tell you, PNP people look good. But when you look at street lights, comrades, for the last 4 years, we have been promising street lights. Our communities are dark. The place is dark. And the last thing I hear is that the technocrats must go out in the communities and see if we have infrastructure in the communities for street lights to go on. So I wonder if the minister take us for idiot. How could we recommend street lights to put on poles and to put anywhere and to put it on a stick because we don't have any infrastructure? Him think is everybody's an idiot? Comrades, I know. I hear that the leader is coming. So comrades, let me tell you, we, the mayors, we, the councillors, have decided that we will make sure we do what we have to do to make sure that your lives are better, to make sure we have an effective local government system, to make sure that your road, your garbage, your street lights, everything that we have to do is better because time comes and we know that any day come, we are setting the pace to make sure the People's National Party with Martin G can make sure we have a good country. Comrades, God bless you. Time come.
My wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness show off how him buy how much garbage truck. And everybody still a complain same way. The Jamaican people still a complain same way. Because then garbage still a stink up out of them gateway. Same way, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness said them bring in buses, but yet people still a stand up a bus stop for more than 2 hours. Same way. More than 2 hours, same way, my wisdom warriors, people still stand up a bus stop. So where that tell we? Where that tell we? Time come. Anyway, I want to take in L.A. Lewis because me are telling us say L.A. Lewis turn up the heat and my wisdom warriors. Yeah, man. L.A. Lewis Hey, mighty God of Daniel, L.A. Lewis surprised me. L.A. Lewis give the People's National Party over $2 million cash taking this.
Half of this People's National Party, run come.
We are going to send the young people across the conference floor. So I want someone this side, I want someone this side, and I want the young people to move to the crowd. Councillors and MP, bring the money, come and make your pledges, because we are ready to accept your pledges. Come and fly, you have a pledge. Step up with the pledge. Region 3 is making their way. Region 3 councillors, we're not pledging, we're giving $400,000. Me not think gonna hear them. Wally Global Choice. Region 3 for 400 G's.
Well, you hear from Region 3. We need to hear from Region 1, Region 2, Region 4, 5, and 6. Bring the money, come. We have the platforms. Hold on, comrades. Hold on.
Yes, comrades, we have the pledge forms here. LA, your pledge. LA, where your pledge? PMP! Let me hear from the council. Miss Lewis. Hold on there. Shh. Hold on. The council. Hold it.
Comrades!
$2.8 million!
Comrades!
$2.8 million! What do I more? What do I more? What do I more?
Seven!
$8 million! Quiet, 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 quiet. Quiet the people. Me have one it more. PMP is rich. Now I just give away $2.8 million. That is just warm up. Now today is our 86th party. You take up the one half of the 8, put on the other one, 7. So people, PMP's got to take it to them this year. PMP's got to win this year. PMP can't lose this year. Maroon government.
Comrades, we're accepting the pledges. Comrades, if you want
We
to
are
see the
taking the
back,
pledges.
I want to hear my
Oh my
councillors.
God.
Hold on.
From the diaspora community, $8,460 equal 1.3 million Jamaican dollars. No, hold on. Me hear it's on 1.3, but 13 million.
Mario, we set out here and came as we're coming for 5 million. We are way over. Comrades, where are you? Let me hear from our councillors. Bring the pledge down.
My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.